The big mistake that keeps people stuck living paycheck to paycheck. Ever wonder why some people stay broke no matter how hard they work? It's not about how much you make, it's about what you do with it. 78% of people live paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because they fall into the trap of relying on one income stream to support everything. Here's the truth: your paycheck is not wealth, it's survival. Here's the number one mistake that keeps people financially stuck: trading time for money instead of building income that works for them. The secret to financial freedom isn't working harder, it's learning how to make your money work for you. If you're tired of feeling trapped by your job, this episode is a must watch. And make sure you don't miss episode 3, because we're revealing episode 3, how to secure your financial future before it's too late. Stay tuned for number 3.